Okay, this video is so long overdue that it's not even funny. I bought this Hyphen Ice Dunk face mask last year and I think I showed it in my haul video. And I wanted to make a video on this, but I got so busy that I completely forgot about this up until last 2 weeks. And then I rediscovered this in my drawer and I started using it and I said, no, a video needs to be done on this. I think back then I wanted to do first impressions of opening this and then putting it and then giving you the first impressions. But now screw that. This is a review. Okay, so first off, अगर आप ice dunking technique से familiar नहीं है, it's an ancient technique of putting your face and dunking it in a bowl of ice or iced water. What that does is basically it kind of depuffs your face, tightens your skin of the face and reduces your pore size. It reduces inflammation, redness, and all sorts of things and gives you that nice freshness on your face. Hyphen has taken the similar technique and put it in a jar for you and also has added more skincare ingredients to give you added benefits of more than just ice. This is how the packaging of this face mask looks like. This contains 31% cooling actives and 3% caffeine and it also has peptides. यहाँ पे आपको more details मिलेंगी. So 31% cooling actives are a blend of aloe vera, 98 sea minerals and cica extracts. They deeply hydrate, soothe irritation and restore the skin balance. 3% caffeine, which of course reduces the puffiness and tightens the skin by boosting microcirculation. Peptides, of course, deeply moisturize, boost collagen production and promote the skin repair. Polyglutamic acid improves skin elasticity, retains moisture and supports the skin barrier. And uske baad they also have an ingredient component which is known as MGA. MGA is menthol glycerin acetyl, a menthol derivative that delivers strong icy sensation by activating skin thermoreceptors. And now what this mask also claims is that जैसे ही आप इसे अपने मुंह पे लगाएंगे आपके मुंह का टेम्परेचर drop कर जाएगा to -5 degrees, which is amazing. This is a 50-gram jar and the price of this is $5.99. But obviously, you know, the pricing will vary depending आप कहाँ से और कब लेते हैं इसको. This is how this mask looks like. It has this beautiful icy blue color and the fragrance of this one is like Polo, that Polo mint जो मिलती थी हमें. I don't know if we get it now or not, but Polo was a very popular mint. I think you do get it even now. But it smells just like that to the point कि आपको इसे खाने का मन करेगा. And look at that gorgeous blue color. I mean, this is a very beautiful face mask just by looking at it. Oh, and you also get this applicator जो आप लगाने में use कर सकते हैं. But as you will see in the demo that I used it for some time, but for some reason I love to apply my face masks with my fingers. Obviously they are clean, so I take my fingers and I apply and spread the face mask properly. But you don't have to do it by itself. This applicator is quite good enough. Okay, so you can apply this face mask whenever you feel like. I usually do it after I wake up in the morning. मेरे फेस को मैं साबुन वगैरह से नहीं क्लीन करती हूँ, just water and then I apply this face mask. You need to apply a little bit of a thick layer, not a very thin layer, but a little bit thick layer on your face, and you can use an applicator or your fingers, whatever is convenient to you. और जैसे ही आप इस मास्क को मुंह पे, स्किन पे लगाएंगे ना, आपको एक instant extreme cooling sensation feel होगा, and trust me, that feels awesome, especially in hot humid weathers. That's almost kind of like a blessing in disguise to have that nice cooling sensation on your face. And the more you put the mask, you will get that cooling sensation all over your face. When you apply this full mask on your face, a nice thick layer, you will feel your skin feeling a little bit tingling, like really cold, जैसे मतलब लगता है ना literally आपने बर्फ में मुंह डाल दिया हो, वैसा feel होता है. Now some people can tolerate this thing, which that cooling sensation जिसके लिए ये mask बना है. Some people I have seen they cannot wear this mask for more than 5 minutes. So it depends आपकी skin tolerance क्या है and whether your skin is extremely sensitive, because if it is extremely sensitive then you may not be able to apply this mask and wear it, keep it on your skin for like 10 to 15 minutes जो उसमें लिखा हुआ है. I thankfully had no problem, so I kept it for a good 15 minutes and then I washed off my face with water. Now with my experience, that cooling sensation on my skin within the first 5 minutes it kind of decedes and उसके बाद मुझे कुछ feel नहीं होता है. It's just a good mask sitting on my face. But yes, when you fan your face या पंखे के नीचे खड़े हो जाएंगे लगाएंगे तो आपको फिर से वो कूलिंग सेंसेशन फील होगा. Now here's you need to be very careful, because if you are not able to tolerate it on your skin, please go and wash your face immediately. Now there are two ways to remove this mask. You can use a wet towel or you can go and wash your face with water. मैंने अपना मुंह पानी से धो लिया था, and the moment you apply water to your face, again that cooling sensation goes 10 times up. It's just like you have a mint and you drink water, आपका मुंह कैसे ठंडा हो जाता है, exactly वही feeling होता है जब आप ये मास्क को पानी से हटाएंगे. तो take it off properly, and once the mask is all out and my face is clean, in particularly I didn't feel the need to go and apply a moisturizer immediately. मुझे मेरी skin कोई dry नहीं लगी. In fact, it did feel very moisturized for some reason. I don't know why, but that was the case with myself. So that was a good thing that I immediately didn't have to rush to apply a moisturizer. Of course, but if your skin is extremely dry or you're living in a dry weather, then the situation may vary. तो डिपेंड करता है आप कहाँ रहते हैं और आपके जो शहर में एक तो वेदर कैसा है और दूसरा आपकी खुद की स्किन कैसी है. So I'm not going to sit here and generalize and say, oh my god, this is the most moisturizing hair face mask and you don't need to apply a moisturizer after this. Now this is my observation after using this mask and after seeing my face. First off, my face did feel a lot fresh, a lot clean and a lot bright. Secondly, I did feel my face depuff to some extent, not drastically, but yes, I did feel the depuffiness on my face. My face get depuffed. I don't have redness issue, so I can't comment on that. Pore sizes, yes, I did feel my skin tighten and the pores of my skin reduce a little. You may not be able to tell from the camera, but from what I saw personally in the mirror, I could see that. And yeah, overall my face felt fresh and nice and kind of like I got that fresh rush of blood in my face, you can say. So yes, I'm pretty impressed with this mask overall. It does what it claims. So I give this mask an 8.5 on 10. I think it's a very unique concept, and if you really want to try that ice dunking technique, but you want to do it faster and in a better way which has more ingredients for your skin, then this is a very good option. I don't think there is anything similar like this available in the market from other brands. So I have to give it to Hyphen for giving it a try and making it a decent product somehow. I do know that some people don't like this, and for some people it reacted in a not so good manner, but again that's where you need to do your patch tests and you need to see what's working for you. अगर मैं अपने personal experience से बात करूँ, so yes, this is a good mask to have in your skincare routine. Use it once in 10 days or once in 10-15 days and that'll be all. So yes, this is definitely something that is worth a try. अगर आपने try नहीं किया है, I would suggest you give it a try. I would definitely have it in my part of my skincare. I don't have many masks and stuff like that because I kind of avoid doing all of that, but this is one mask that I would love to keep in my drawer. At some times you can use it. It's not mandatory to use it once in 10 days only. जब भी आपको यूज करने का मन हो आप इसे यूज कर सकते हैं because the results are very instant. I will have this mask linked in the description box for you guys in case if you are interested, and that will be all for the review of this mask. I hope that you have enjoyed it and found it useful. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for taking out the time to watch this one. Bye.